After your assignment, you should know the following about pedigrees. You should be able to pick out an autosomal recessive, an autosomal dominant, or an X-linked recessive pedigree. And you should know also the nomenclature. You should be able to look at a pedigree and remember what the filled in and the not filled in and the various different symbols mean. And then you'll be well on your way to doing more complex pedigree analysis. What we've talked about today has been a whole bunch. We've talked really about changes in DNA and the traits, the phenotypes that are associated with these changes. We've talked about actually knowing what the changes are, as in mutations. We've talked about different variations of genes, as in alleles, and how these segregate during meiosis. And we've talked about how the gametes that come out of meiosis are then used to carry out genetic crosses that let us understand something more about the characteristics of the inheritance of various traits. And finally, we've talked about cases where it's very difficult to know what gene is involved, in which case we use analysis of pedigrees to help enlighten us.